Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and yes guys, I am worried. I mean, as we discussed in our last video, Bitcoin is having problems breaking above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement resistance area. As we remember, the last time this happened, we saw a very aggressive and steep sell-off followed right afterwards, initiated by the bears, because resistance was too strong to be broken to the upside, since we didn't only have the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels coming in to strike the price down. No, we also had a massive bear flag and its previous support that was coming in as resistance at the exact same price level. And we are seeing the same scenario right now. The only positive thing we can say is that Bitcoin is at least being able to hold directly under that price level, which gives the bulls each and every single day a chance to potentially break this important resistance to the upside. Because as you guys know, we are waiting with our swing long positions right now in around $30,000 in a profit to scale them up. But we need to get the confirmation signal of a break of the 0.618, to be exact, of the $1,500 level. Because not only are we seeing very important resistance coming in now on the daily, while the RSI is already massively overbought. What we can see in addition here is that we have a massive weekly resistance coming in of our massive falling wedge here on the weekly time frame. So the $1,500 level is definitely the price level I'm looking out for the next couple of daily candle closes, but also for the next couple of weeks. And the only thing I am worried about right now, and why I would open a short hedge trade, is if we could see in the upcoming hours and days that we are forming here a bearish chart pattern, a bearish reversal pattern on the 4-hourly time frame, which could be, for example, now in this scenario where we are not being able to break the resistance once again, we could be forming here somewhat of a double top, which could get till the end of the week very dangerous for Bitcoin and could initiate a big selling of the bears. And that's why, guys, I am still waiting for that final confirmation, because I mean, we have been talking about the bottom being at $14,000 to $16,000 now pretty much for exactly 1 year, guys. I mean, you can go back into my videos every single time I'm talking about the maximum bottom for Bitcoin during this year. It is the $16,000 to $14,000 level. So we have been buying for our hodl portfolio. We have 2 swing long positions open. We are really hoping for this breakout now after we accumulated at the lower prices, but we cannot just hope. Hope is sometimes not enough for the price to move upwards, especially when we already saw such a significant run up exactly against resistance. So for now, we can only wait and see what is going to happen. If there should be a bearish chart pattern forming on the smaller time frames, I will make sure to upload a video immediately. So don't miss the next video. It may not be tomorrow, it may not be the day after, it will be the day where we can say that significant change happened to the price in form of a new bearish chart pattern potentially forming, signaling here a reversal, or us breaking above the $1,500 level with a daily candle. In case you already know from my last video, I would scale up my swing long position then once again in preparation of even closing then the weekly candle above the $1,500 level, which would result in me scaling up my position slightly once again. But now let's also talk about the on-chain data, because I mean, in general, even though yes, we could expect a small hiccup for the markets to come if we see now a rejection of the 0.618 and the previous support of the bear flag, still we are right now definitely in the bottom area, and we most likely have already seen the bottom. The only scenario where we stayed below the realized price for such a long time was actually our bear market beginning at the beginning of 2014 till around 2016, the end of 2015, when our next bull run really started. And we can already see that also right now, we already have spent significant time below the realized price. We have been jumping above a little bit, falling below it again, now jumped above it again. I mean, we could fall below it once again a single last time, but from a time perspective, we are already expecting prices of $30,000, $40,000 till the end of the year. So that's why we are definitely preparing more on the long side than on the short side, even though in the worst case, especially this on-chain data, we will take a look at it next week once again. If we should see that a lot of whales actually start leaving the market, this is actually here showing us how many whales are entering the market or leaving the market. So it shows how many addresses are right now holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin. And we can see that over time, I mean, this amount has been going down even till this day, but very interestingly enough, even though we have seen a pump now, these whales were not interested in liquidating their coins now at a higher price. And this definitely shows confidence in the market. So if we can remain that confident over the weekend, and we could maybe even see whales entering the market again, so the amount of whale addresses in the market growing, I think this could definitely be then one very positive sign, and could be the first sign where we definitely would then need to expect that the $21,500 level will be broken or was broken very for the long term, and we are actually looking to enter the next bull phase. Now guys, you know exactly what price levels you keep an eye on, you know what my trade plans are. If there should be a bearish reversal pattern coming to the charts, I will upload a video, so just subscribe, activate the bell, then you won't miss this video. Just check my channel every couple of days and then you will see I most likely will upload a video, maybe even tomorrow, in the case that a bearish chart pattern already develops tonight. But for now, I'm going to upload this video, you are informed and you know what are the next steps, at least with my trades. And for now guys, subscribe, activate the bell, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it, and we are going to see us in the next video. Till then, bye bye.